Let's have fun around the world. What do you like doing in your free time? What do you think teenagers in other countries like to do? Let's hear a couple of teens describing their favorite free time activities.
Here in Canada, we have long cold winters with lots of snow, but I don't really mind. In my free time, I like hanging out with my friends at the mall. There is so much to do there. The mall has a huge amusement park, and I really like going to the indoor water park. Sometimes we go shopping or to the cinema. After school, my mates and I often play ice hockey at the local rink. Hockey is our national sport, and it's lots of fun.
I live in Kazakhstan, in Central Asia. My country is well known for its beautiful landscapes, from deserts and mountains to amazing steppes. My friends and I enjoy canoeing, hiking, ice skating, and skiing. Sometimes we walk around the markets or one of the parks. When the weather isn't that good, we visit each other's home and we listen to music or play video games. We also like hanging out at shopping malls.
What are the most popular activities for teens where you live? Do you share the same interests as teenagers in other countries?